We are working on STEAM now, okay? You are going to see something really amazing. We are going to read it in a moment. But before we start, I'm going to give you the video.
Energy consumption is a huge part of our daily lives. We eat with energy. We travel with energy. We work with energy. And we even flirt with energy. But where does all of this energy come from? Today we gather most of our energy from coal, oil and natural gas, also known as fossil fuels. Additionally, we gather energy from biomass, nuclear and renewables. Fossil fuels consist of extracted decomposed organisms and plants that existed millions of years ago. Biomass converts plants into biometric material to produce energy. Nuclear energy is released during nuclear fusion. Lastly, renewable energy comes from a source that's not depleted when used, such as wind or solar power. But what's the profound difference between them? How they affect our planet? Fossil fuels cost more than what we pay at the pump and impacts our environment in many ways. These impacts include global warming, air quality deterioration, oil spills, and acid rain. It's also projected that fossil fuel resources will be depleted within the next 50 to 100 years. Biomass and nuclear energy also have similar issues. We need a solution relatively fast, and luckily, we have one. Renewable energy comes from resources which naturally replenish in our lifetime, whereas fossil fuels are a one-time use resource in the human timescale. Resources for renewable energy include sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat.
Happy to learn.
Okay, as you can see, they are talking about the resources we have already spoken about. I will also, there is a couple of videos in YouTube that you can watch about renewable energy. Okay, but the point is that non-renewable energy is like oils and fossil fuels like gasoline that we cannot use. And renewable energy is wind, water, and even the solar energy. Okay, so we are going to read this. The whole point of it is for you to read. Okay, I don't want to read it with you because I want you to make a comprehension reading. Okay, I want to know if you're paying attention to what you read. So that's the whole point of this, for you to pay attention, to read carefully. I'm trying to make this because it's not there. There you are. For those of you who do not have the book, now you can see it clearly. I was trying to make it to focus. Okay, so if you don't have the book, you should pause the video right now so you can read. Okay, I'm going to move it. Remember, if you do not have the book, you need to pause the video so you can read. Okay, I will not read with you because the whole point of this is to see what you understand. It's a very interesting reading of something really entertaining. Okay, but you need to read. Once you have finished reading this page 139, you are going to go to page 140. And for this, it's all about comprehension reading. They are questions about what they just told you on the other page. That's why you need to read carefully, and that's why I am not reading with you. Okay, they explain everything to you. And afterwards, we're going to retake this and see if you really got it. But the whole point is for you to read attentively. If you have any questions, ask me via WhatsApp, but remember, I will not give you answers. Number 5, remember to answer with complete sentences. And here you get to design your own electric car, okay? So be creative, be ingenious, and be amazing. Don't forget your self-assessment. And that's it, okay? See you next video. Have a great day.